How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Cig Plug controlled mini light bars versus our Grand Control mini light bars. Now, I did bring a multicolor K-Force Micro 14 and a K-Force 18 TIR, for example, but we do offer both of these light bars in TIR or multicolor linear. So for example here, I brought our K-Force Micro 14 multicolor linear here in an amber clear color setup. So you'll notice your light bar is flashing back and forth between your amber and clear colors there. And we do offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear for any application. Or if you need a customized light bar, we do have our customization tool on the product pages as well. So with your optional Cig plug, you'll see that you have power mode 1, and then you also have your second power mode where you can have 2 flash pattern memories. And you can easily cycle through your patterns by using your pattern button here to choose a flash pattern you'd like, and then you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last flash pattern it was on in power mode 1 and power mode 2. And then moving down here, I brought our K-Force 18 TIR, and again, same concept. You have your power mode 1, where I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed, and then in my second power mode, I have another flash pattern programmed, again with 2 flash pattern memories by using my mini light bar and my optional Cig plug. And again, that was our K-Force Micro 14 and our K-Force 18 mini light bars, for example, and those will use our optional Cig plug. So let's go ahead and go over our Grand Control mini light bars. So here I brought our K-Force Micro 21 TIR and our K-Force 27 in a multicolor linear. Now our K-Force Micro 21 and our K-Force 27 mini light bars will use our optional Grand Control. So up top here I brought our K-Force Micro 21 TIR in an all blue color setup. And you'll see that you have your power button here on your Grand Control, and then you also have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here. And you'll see that I have 2 different flash patterns programmed. I have a flash pattern for mode 1, and then I have another flash pattern programmed for mode 2. And then you also have your TD button here with your optional Grand Control, and that will activate your 2 side takedown lights here. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where you can activate these in the color of clear if you would like to, and that's great if you need additional work light off the side of your light bar. And again, we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And if you do need a customized light bar, we do have our customization tool on the product pages. Now moving down here, I brought our multicolor K-Force 27 linear. And again, I'm using my optional Grand Control here. So I have my power button with 1 flash pattern saved. And then in mode 2, I have another flash pattern programmed. And again, this is a red, blue, clear, multicolor linear model, for example. So you'll notice that your unit is flashing back and forth between your red, blue, and clear colors there. And we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And again, if you do need a customized light bar, we do have our customization tool on the product pages. And then so that covers your power button, your mode 1 and mode 2. You have your pattern changer here, which you can use to cycle through your different flash patterns and program a flash pattern for mode 1 and mode 2. And then you also have your TD button here, which will activate your 2 side alley lights as well. And since this is a multicolor linear light bar, the TD button will activate those modules in the secondary color order. And for example here, this was a red, blue, clear. So clear will be my secondary color. And then additionally on your Grand Control, you do have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your Grand Control. And then also with our Grand Control products, we also offer our Grand Direct Control. Now this would be great for these mini light bars if you would like to pair these light bars with a traffic advisor. And again, this is our Grand Direct Control. So your mini bar would plug in your Grand side and your traffic advisor would plug in the direct side here. And that's great if you need to run a mini light bar and a traffic advisor. So that gives you a brief overview of our Cig Plug controlled mini light bars versus our Grand Control mini light bars. Make sure to check out the products pages for the full product demos, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.